Which knee has been, your right knee has been bothering you so?
Yeah.
That's the knee? Okay. What else is new?
Cheese.
There you go. Good job. Come over at me. Where do you notice the most discomfort?
My pain is like right here.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have you slip out of your shoes. There you go. Okay, stay right there. There you go. Good. Give that a spin. Bang!